Well, you know what I love too is I'll say these are the 20 things that are in my refrigerator. Give me,
A
20,
recipe.
right, 20 recipes that I could make with this, or, things like that where I'm tired and I know I could do it on my own,
Yeah.
but it's more fun to do it like that. Or sometimes I need a little pep talk. And so I'll say, make up a nice song or poem
Right.
about a queen named Shannon Livingston.
Or the 20 things I have in my refrigerator.
And right, and the 20 things I have in my refrigerator. No, but it could do all sorts of things for you. So that is where you would start.